we are back again with new video, and our topic for today is application of derivative. Here the meaning of the word application describes us use, means we are going to discuss use of derivatives. In today's lecture we are going to use to find out the new topic, what is the rate of change. Rate means at what speed the data is going to be changing. As we have done the topic slope of a line in 11th class, it is given by change in y respect to change in x. So it is given by dy by dx. Here dy by dx indicates change with respect to x of quantity y. Here we are taking one example. There is a circle with radius r which is given in centimeter, and perimeter of circle is given by 2 pi r and area of circle is given by pi r square. Our question is find out the change in perimeter with respect to r, as well as we have to find out change in area with respect to r. If you see, perimeter is given by 2 pi r. We have to take change in p, means dp, with respect to r, means we have to take dr. Here 2 pi is a constant remains same, the idea of r become by power of 1. So it become 2 pi. Here unit comes, perimeter is in centimeter according to radius given, and the unit for radius is also centimeter. Here units indicates the derivative of which quantity is with respect to which quantity. It does not cancel out. It gives indication for the change of which physical quantity takes with respect to which physical quantity. Another we are going to calculate area, which is given by pi r square. Here dA by dr, pi is a constant remains same. By power rule, derivative of r square become 2 power come forward, r raised to power 1. So it become 2 pi r. Here unit of area is given by square of centimeter with respect to unit of radius is given by centimeter. Like this we can find out the change of any physical quantity with respect to given physical quantity. Students, in this question we are going to discuss there is a shape is given scale, in which first data is given rate of change of side. This one of the scale is 3 centimeter per minute. This unit indicates the change of side of a square with respect to time is given here. Second data we have given, side is given by 10 centimeter, and we have to find out the rate of change of area. So what is given here? We have given, like first of all we have required side of square. Like side is given by x centimeter, because the unit is given here centimeter. We have to find change in area. We are indicating the area by symbol A, and we know area of the square shape is given by square of side. Here the indication is given 3 centimeter, means it is length. With respect to minute, means it is given with respect to change in time. So we have to take here the idea of area with respect to change in time. If you see here, variable is not same, we have to use here. Here variable contain power, so according to power, power come forward, power decrease by 1. This is the power rule. Now we have to apply here derivative of base. It becomes dx by dt. Now we have to replace the values. Here 2 is a constant, x is the side of square which is given here 10 centimeter. So we replace this by 10, and dx by dt is the change of side with respect to change in time, which is given in centimeter per minute. This data we have to use here 3. So answer from here becomes 60. Area unit comes out from this indication, square of centimeter. Time is already indicated here, minute. So answer comes out here 60 centimeter square per minute. Next question is, we have given an air bubble. As you know, air bubble is in the shape of a sphere. This shape is given now here, sphere. And in a sphere we know that there is a one parameter that is going to be changes, that is radius. So we are taking here like radius is r. Unit for it is given centimeter. That is given. What we have given, surface area. Surface area of a sphere is given by surface area. We are using indication A. Surface area is given by 4 pi r square. It is given increasing. Increasing means it is going to be changing. Means it is given rate of change 2 centimeter square. It is the change of area. Per second means with respect to time. So we have to take here rate of change of area with respect to time, which gives 4 pi s is derivative of r square by power rule 2r, and derivative of r become dr by dt here. If we see here, it comes out total 8 pi r dr by dt. dA by dt means change of surface area. It is already given 2 centimeters square per second. If we simplify from here by replacing the value of r, we get from here radius is given by 6 centimeter. So it becomes 8 pi multiply 6 dr by dt. From here we get dr by dt by shifting. 2 is already there. 6, 8 and pi all are in multiply. On shifting become divide. It is 8 pi multiply 6. If we see here, if we simplify, it becomes 1 upon 24 pi. This is the rate of change of radius with respect to change in time. But our target is still away. Rate of change of volume we have to calculate. And we know volume in case of a sphere, we are indicating by V. It is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to take derivative of V with respect to time, because earlier we are doing derivative with respect to time here. So it is given by 4 by 3 pi constant, derivative of r cube by power rule 3r square dr by dt. Now replacing all the values, 3 cancel out, 4 is a constant, pi is a constant. Radius is already given 6, so it becomes square means 2 times. dr by dt we have already calculated, use it from here, 1 upon 24 pi. So if we see here, 4 pi multiply 6 become 24 pi, cancel out. So answer left out only 6. What is the unit for it? We know that here volume unit is our cubic centimeter. We can say centimeter cube. With respect to time, time is already indicated here. It is given by second. So like this we can find out the rate of change of volume with the help of another rate of change is given. Means in this question we have learned about the shape sphere in which one rate of the change is given, one of the data is given. We have to calculate another rate of change of other physical quantity. There is this lamp, means the street light in a street. A person is represented by PQ, which is moving away from the street light pole. As we know, if light glows at the top of the pole, it hits the person and the shadow of the person comes in front of it. It is given that the height of the street light pole is given by 6 meter and the height of the person moving is given by 2 meter, and the person is moving with a speed of 5 km per hour. We have to find out what is the rate of change of shadow with respect to movement of person. We have to calculate. We have to calculate this value change. We are giving here let PR is given by X. We are not giving here indication of unit. If you see here, there are two triangles. One of them is small one, this one. Other one is the bigger one. If you see these two triangles here, this angle is the common one. Means if you see here, in triangle small one, it is given by PQR, and triangle that is full one RST. If you see these two triangles, one of the angle is given by 90 degree, which is in both. One angle in bigger triangle, one angle in small triangle, it is given by 90 degree. It is given. And if you see, this R coordinate comes in small triangle and it also comes in big triangle. So this is the angle which is common in both. So angle R is common. We know that we have done in 9th and 10th class. In 9th we have done congruent of two triangles. And in 10th we have done if two triangles are having one angle is equal, second angle is also equal, then these two triangles are known as similar triangles. So we can see here triangle PQR, this is the symbol of similarity. Triangle STR by angle rule. And we know by CPST. Now what is CPST here? CPST means corresponding parts of similar triangles, because we need the length of sides. So we are taking here ratio of sides. Here sides, we choose that sides which are given or unknown. Firstly we are taking here PQ, first two. So same here we are taking here first two, ST is equal to. Next in bigger triangle. We have given this one in small PQ. This one we have to calculate from small triangle, PR. If you see here, PR is the first third. Here first third is SR. If we are replace here the values of it, PQ is given by 2 meter. ST is given by 6 meter. PR we are indicated. Let this value as X. And what is SR? We are indicating here SP as Y value. So here SR become SP plus PR, means Y plus X, X plus Y. By cross multiplication we get here 2Y plus 2X is equal to 6X. So value of 2Y become 6X minus 2X, that is 4X. If you see here, this value we indicate by Y. This is the length, and we know that speed is given by distance with respect to time. Means it is a unit of length. Distance, it is a unit of time. So it should be given here dy by dt. Rate of change of distance covered by the person with respect to time taken. So we are taking here derivative with respect to y here. So it becomes dy by dt is equal to 2 times dx by dt. Value of dy by dt is given by 5 km per hour. By shifting this, we get here dx by dt. It is given by 2.5 km per hour. It means the length of shadow of a person of height 2 meter, which is moving away from the street light pole with a speed of 5 km per hour. Shadow is changing by a rate of 2.5 km per hour. Our next question is, there is a pond, it is not given the actual shape. Suppose this is a pond which is given in different shape. If we put a stone in the still water of a pond, we get the waves like this in a circular form, which is moving outward continuously. We get the waves like this, goes on increasing. If we put a stone in a still water, such we are having in a bowl also. If we put the finger in the bowl which is full of water, the waves in the water moves like this in a circular form. So here it is given, if the rate of change of radius with respect to time is given by 3.5 centimeter per second. Here radius is given because the shape we observe here, that is circle. Here radius at any time is given 7.5 centimeter. As we observe here, circle is goes on increasing from inward to outward. It means area covered by the layer goes on also increasing. We have to calculate how much change in area at that time when the radius is given by 7.5 centimeter. As you know, area of a circle, it is given by pi r square. We have to calculate change of area with respect to time. It is already indicated here. Now taking derivative, pi s is by power 2r dr by dt. Now using the values, pi is constant, 2 is constant, radius is given by 7.5, we can say 75 by 10, dr by dt is given by 3.5, 35 by 10, we can see here. Cancel by 2 at 5, 5 at 7. If we see here, if we replace the value of pi, we know that pi is given by 22 by 7. Multiply by 75, multiply by 7 by 10. Cancel by 2. We get this one, 7 cancel out. Cancel by 5 at 15. So finally we get 165. Area unit is square of unit, centimeter square. And time unit is given by second. Means at a time when the radius of the circle becomes 7.5 centimeter, when the radius is increasing by this one, area is increasing by this much value, 165 centimeter square per second. Next question is from our daily life. As you know, in our daily life, we purchase something and sell something. Means shopkeeper gets some profit or loss from the selling or purchasing of some commodity. Here we are giving a question, by selling some items of a commodity, revenue, R indicates here revenue. Simple language we can say here, selling price. It is given by this function. We have to find out marginal revenue. Marginal words indicate here change. Means it can be understood like this. We have to find out the change in selling price when the quantity we purchased 7 and we save all of them here. Now here revenue function is given, means the selling price function is given 13x here plus 26x plus 15. Here change means derivative. Here variable is not given, so we take here variable as quantity here. So we are finding here change of revenue with respect to change in x. This is known as marginal revenue. Here marginal words indicates change in a physical quantity. So we are taking here derivative. Here 13x is by power rule, x के derivative become 2x, 26x derivative of x become 1, derivative of 15 constant is 0. It become 26x plus 26. So overall it become 26 common, x plus 1. As the value of x means commodity sale, quantity is given x. So replacing we have get at x is equal to 7 MR, it is given by 26 multiplied with 7 plus 1. By Bodmer's rule, solve the bracket first, it becomes 8. So overall become 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 to the 16 and 4 20. This is the marginal revenue. As we are discussing, this revenue means like a selling price. So this quantity comes in rupees also.